Hey friend, welcome to Gentle English, a quiet place to help you listen, relax, and slowly understand real English. If fast conversations feel hard to follow, you're not alone. Here, we take it step by step. No pressure, no rush. Just clear, simple English you can actually feel. Remember to subscribe, like, and comment. Let's get started. In today's world, everything feels fast. Fast internet. Fast answers. Fast results. And sometimes, we think learning must be fast too. You see someone speak fluent English. You wonder how long it took them. You wonder why you're not there yet. You think, I'm too slow. I should be fluent by now. I'm behind. But what if that wasn't true? What if slow is exactly right? Slow learning doesn't mean you're not smart. It doesn't mean you're lazy. And it definitely doesn't mean you're failing. It means you're learning with care. You're giving your brain time to grow strong roots. You're building something deep. Think of a tree. Some trees grow quickly but break in the storm. Others grow slowly, but they last for hundreds of years. Your English can be like that. Steady, deep, strong, and yes, slow. But that's not a problem. That's a strength. We live in a world that rewards speed. Fast speech. Fast progress. Fast everything. And in language learning, it's easy to believe that fast equals fluent. If I can speak fast, I must be good. If I can understand fast, I must be fluent. But here's the truth. Fluency is not speed. Fluency is flow. It's comfort. It's connection. It's confidence. Some of the clearest, most powerful English speakers are not fast. They are calm, grounded, natural. Think about someone you admire, a teacher, a speaker, a friend. Were they rushing? Or were they speaking with care? Fluent English doesn't mean saying 100 words per minute. It means saying the words that matter, clearly, calmly, and with feeling. When you speak slowly, it means you're thinking. You're choosing your words with care. You're letting your thoughts catch up to your voice. You're creating space for yourself and for your listener. And that's fluency. You don't need to sound like a fast podcast host. You just need to sound like you, at peace with your English. Fast isn't always fluent. And slow isn't always weak. In fact, slow speech often means deep understanding. So if someone says you speak too slowly, smile. It means you're thoughtful. It means you're aware. And that means you're on the right path. Fluency is not a race. It's a relationship. With your voice. With your listener. With the moment. You're not behind. You're becoming fluent in your own gentle way. And when that voice inside says, I'm falling behind, Ask yourself, behind who? You're not in a race. You're not late. You're not too slow. You are learning something beautiful. A whole new way to hear, to speak, to understand the world. That's not something you rush. Maybe you're learning English later in life. Maybe you took a break and just came back. Maybe others seem to move faster than you. That's okay. You are not late. You are right on time for your life, your path, your pace. Every time you choose to keep learning, you're doing something powerful. When you learn slowly, you build more than just language. You build patience. You build focus. You build confidence, resilience, and trust in yourself. These are things no textbook can teach. They come from showing up again and again. From trying even when it's hard. From listening quietly. From not giving up. And that's your strength. Progress isn't just about speed. It's about feeling less nervous than last week. Understanding more than last month. Having the courage to keep going even when it's slow. You might not notice your progress every day, but it's there. It's like a seed under the soil. You can't see it yet, but something is growing. Then one day, a little sprout appears, and it keeps going. That's you. Let's take a moment now and think about some quiet wins. Maybe you understood a joke in English. Maybe you ordered food without fear. Maybe you caught a line in a song. Or had a short chat with someone new. Those are not small. Those are big. You deserve to celebrate them. I've met many English learners over the years. And the ones who grew the most were not always the fastest. They were the quiet ones. The steady ones. The ones who listened to one more video. Repeated one more sentence. Believed in one more small step. And over time, their English became part of them. Not rushed. Not forced. Just real. So if you're learning slowly, you're doing just fine. You don't have to push harder. You don't have to rush. You can pause. You can breathe. You can listen again. This is your journey, and your pace is perfect for you. Take a deep breath now. Think about where you started. The first word you ever learned. The first sentence you understood. The first video you watched without subtitles. Even if you only caught a few words. Look how far you've come. You're not standing still. You're moving. Even when it feels slow. You're still growing. And that movement matters. Thanks for spending this quiet time with me. Remember, every small step you take makes a difference. Keep listening. Keep going. You're doing better than you think. If you found this helpful, feel free to like, subscribe, or come back anytime for more gentle English. Until next time, take care of your ears and take care of yourself.